Hi, welcome to Matcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing another important aspect from quantitative aptitude and reasoning. That is the topic pipes and cisterns. Before going to the question, we would like to inform you that in our channel, there are various playlists are available associated with class 9 and 10 plus 1 plus 2 physics, chemistry, mathematics topic, advanced chemistry topic, advanced Indian polity and quantitative aptitude topics, as well as the discussion on Constitution of India, then related with the certificate related informations are also being discussed. The videos are available in both Malayalam as well as in English. Please check those videos. If you feel interested, if you feel it worthful, please share with your friends, relatives, cousins. The information related with the channel will be available in our the Instagram page, which is named as Matcom. Please check and follow our Instagram page for further updates. So we'll go to the question. The question is, a booster pump can be used for filling as well as emptying a tank. The capacity of the tank is 2400 meter cube. The emptying capacity of the tank is 10 meter cube per minute, higher than that of its filling capacity. The pump needs 8 minutes lesser to empty the tank than it needs to fill it. What is the emptying capacity of the tank? What is the emptying capacity of the tank? So in this particular question, they are given that there is a tank in which the tank's capacity is 2400 meter cube. The tank's capacity is 2400 meter cube. By using the same pump, we can empty the tank as well as we can fill the tank. So what they're telling now, the emptying capacity is 10 meter cube higher than that of the filling capacity. That means if you try to fill the tank by using this particular pump, how much amount of volume will be poured in per minute will be 10 meter cube lower than that of the emptying capacity of the tank. For example, if you're considering that the filling capacity of the pump is equal to x meter cube per minute. That means in 1 minute that the pump can fill or pump can pour x meter cube of water, means its emptying capacity will be equal to x plus 10 meter cube per minute. X plus 10 meter cube per minute. Then what they're telling, the pump needs 8 minutes lesser time to empty the tank than it's required to fill the tank. Already we have came to understand that the emptying capacity is more. Since its emptying capacity is more, the time required to fill the tank will be more. Correct? So if the 2400 meter cube is the total volume and its filling capacity is x, means the time to fill the tank will be equal to 2400 divided by x. 2400 is the total volume. X is the volume of water that can be filled in 1 minute. The same way, time to empty the tank that is equal to 2400 divided by x plus 10. That means the volume which can be emptified by using the pump is x plus 10 meter cube. Okay, they are telling that the pump needs only 8 minutes lesser in order to empty the tank than it needs to fill the tank. That means the difference between time to fill the tank and time to empty the tank will be 8 minutes. That means 2400 divided by x minus 2400 divided by x plus 10 will be equal to 8 minutes. If you take 2400 common outside, it will get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 will be equal to 8. By using 8, if you cancel 8 with the 24, you will get 3, that is 300. So when you are taking the bracket, what you can do, that is 300 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 1. So if you open up the bracket, what you will get, sorry, if you simplify the bracket, what you will get, x plus 10 by cross multiplication minus x divided by x into x plus 10. You can take this 300 other side, that will become 1 by 300. So this will become x minus x becomes 0. 10 divided by x into x plus 10 equal to 1 by 300. What is, okay. So what we can take, when we cross multiply it, it will get 300 into 10, that is equal to 3000. So 3000 equal to x into x plus 10. What is x? X is the filling capacity. What they asked you to calculate, that is the filling capacity. Now you can proceed from the options itself. How we can proceed? For example, when you multiply a number with the 10 more of its number, you need to get 3000. Just check here, 50. 50 plus 10, that is 60. 50 into 60 is 3000. So this option is correct. If you take this 60 plus 70, 760 is 4200. This option is not correct. 72 plus into 82. So this option will not work. So this option we are getting correctly. So it is equal to 50 meter cube per minute. If you are not comfortable from taking it from the options, what you can do? We can have two methods in order to approach this. That is x into x plus 10 is equal to 3000. That means if you multiply a number with the 10 more of its number, you will get 3000, means only the possibility is 50 and 60. So the number is going to be 50. Otherwise, we can make it as a quadratic equation by opening up the bracket. That is x into x plus 10 is equal to 3000. That is x square plus 10x is equal to 3000. That is x square plus 10x minus 3000 equal to 0. We can compare it with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When you compare it, you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 3000. Okay, fine. So we can solve this particular equation by using splitting the middle term, or by using the quadratic formula. So how we can proceed with the splitting the middle term? Take the coefficient of x square, that is a, into the coefficient, the constant, that is c, that is equal to c that is equal to 1 into minus 3000, that is equal to minus 3000. Now you need to find out the factors of 3000 such that the difference between the factor or addition of that two factors, you will get 10. Okay, so the possibility is 50 and 60. The possibility is 50 and 60. So when you compare here, when you multiply, you need to get a negative number. That means one number has to be positive, one number has to be negative. When you add, you need to get positive 10. When you add, you need to get positive 10. That means the higher number should be positive and lower number should be negative. So the possibility is 50 and minus 60. So this equation can be written as x square the higher number should be positive. So it should be plus 60 and minus 50. So it was a mistake. Please correct it. Higher number should be positive, that is plus 60. That is, we can write it as x square plus 60x minus 50x minus 3000 equal to 0. If you take x common, you will get x into x plus 60. If you take minus 50 common, you will get x. 3000, we have a 60 equal to 0. That is, if you take x plus 60 common, you will get into x minus 50 equal to 0. If a into b equal to 0 means x plus 60, either one should be equal to 0, x plus 60 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 60, or x minus 50 equal to 0, or x will be equal to plus 50. Now we are speaking with the filling capacity. Capacity can never be negative. So filling capacity should be positive. So x should be equal to 50. This is the way in which you can solve it. So another method is x square plus 10x minus 3000 equal to 0. I am explaining you three ways of approach. Why? Because we should not be in a trouble by seeing only this one single method. So by comparing the equation, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. For this, you need to study this particular equation. What is b value? B value is minus 10 plus or minus square root of, what is the b square value? That is 10 square equal to 100. Minus 4 into, what is the a value? A is 1. What is c value? Is minus 3000 divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of 100. 4 into 3000, that is equal to 12,000. 12,000 plus 100, that is equal to 12,100 divided by 2. Then when you take the square root of 121, that is equal to plus or minus 11. That means the square root of 121 will be equal to plus or minus 110. So this is equal to minus 10 plus or minus 110 divided by 2. So it can be written in two different ways. That is minus 10 plus 110 divided by 2, or minus 10 minus 110 divided by 2, that is equal to x. We don't need to take the negative value because we are taking about the filling capacity. It should be positive. So 100 minus 10 is equal, 110 minus 10 is equal to 100. 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50. So its filling capacity will be equal to 50. So if you are able to identify the answer from the option itself, please stop watching there itself. If you are not able to understand that, you can, or if you want to know how we will proceed, if we cannot proceed with the options at that time, what we can do is you can go for splitting the middle term, or you can use the quadratic formula. I hope the explanation is clear. If you need any clarification, do let me know in the comment section. So if you want to see the discussion on any further question, any particular question or a particular topic, please comment on that in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching.